Okay, so guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can sign up or you can say register on Hodlwise. Now, Hodlwise is an innovative decentralized marketing platform based on a custom Hod token on the Matic Polygon chain. Here you can earn Hod and DAI by farming, as well as inviting new users. So there are two different ways on how you can actually earn on this project called Hodlwise. Okay. First and foremost, you need to use either token pockets, okay, or you're going to be using Metamask, okay, or you're going to be using Trustwallet, okay. So either you use this token pockets, Metamask, or Trustwallet. Now, the registration for you to start earning on this project is $10. Now, this $10 is not purely for registration. It's still going to come back to you, okay? So let me quickly show you exactly how that actually works. The $10, you need $10 DAI, okay? DAI is just like a stable coin, like a USDT, is a stable coin, okay? And you also need Matic, okay? So I'm going to be showing you all that process in the course of this video, okay? Now, this $10, okay, is going to go up, okay? Like $2 is going to go to whoever that is going to be referring you here. Then $4 is going to go into Spring Bonus. Another $4 is going to go into total rebate, okay? So as soon as people keep joining this project, you invite people, they join this project, you can see you're going to be earning back, in short, in multiple of that, your $10, okay? So you can see you will receive payment of 13579. So as people keep coming, joining after you, you keep earning to $2 continuously, okay? Now, the second arm of or way of earning is by you farming, okay? So quickly, let me show you how to do this farming of a thing, okay? So that is just going to cost you only from $20 to $2,000, and you're going to be earning 0.4% daily for 500 good days, okay? Okay, now let me go to and show you exactly how you're going to be signing up or registering on Hodlwise, okay? Okay, so now I'm going to be showing you guys how to register on Hodlwise, okay? Remember I told you that you need to have some funds, okay? Remember you can see now in my token pocket, I have 10 DAI here, and I also have some Matic for gas fee, okay? So make sure you can decide to use token pockets like I'm doing now, or you can use Metamask, or you can use Trust Wallet, okay? All right, so now let's go back to the website. So here I'm going to connect my wallet now for me to register on Hodlwise. So I'm going to click on this button, okay? It's going to open up TokenWise, right? So you can see, so I'm going to confirm this, okay? So it's going to connect me to the websites, okay? All right, so the next thing I'm going to do now, so here you can see my upline wallet address is here already. So I'm going to click on this approval, right? So you can see here, I'm going to be charged $10, okay? And you can see the transaction is just going to go through, hopefully, okay? So let's get started. So I'm going to click on approve here. Okay, so you can see it's processing, right? Right, so let's wait for it to process. So here, it's going to show me the details of all the transactions here. So I'm just going to confirm here in my token pocket wallet here, right? So let's wait for it to process. As you can see right here, it's processing. So you can see the message just came. It's a wallet approved successfully. So I'm going to click on OK. Then here now I'm going to click on register, okay? So I'm going to click on register and it's going to register, okay? So it's going to take me back here for the final approval. Okay, so you can see it's processing now. So you can see user registration success. Okay, so you can see the registration is successful. So I'm going to click on OK. Right. Okay, so you can see now it says congratulations, right? You can see congratulations. Thank you for your registration. In Hodlwise, your credential details are listed. So it's going to give me my credential details right here. Okay. So after all that, the next thing I just need to do now is to go back. So I'm going to click here to go back to the website proper. Okay, so here you can see this is how the interface looks like, okay? So you can see the next generation marketing platform decentralized smart contract, right? So every other information you need here is just going to be in the website here. Okay. After it brings you to this interface now, you can just click on this connect so that it will take you to the farming interface. Okay. So it's going to connect me back to my token pocket here now. Okay. So let me just confirm it and connect. Okay. So as soon as you connect, it's going to bring you to this interface here. So you can see this interface here. So now for you to start earning this 0.4% daily for 500 good days, okay, like I rightly said, hold farming starts from the minimum you can start is $20 to $2,000, okay? So all you just need to do now for you to start earning here is to come in here, send in your fund here, okay? When you send in your fund from the $20 to $2,000, then you can start farming here, okay? You can start farming and start earning 0.4% every single day for 500 days, okay? So you can see all the information is going to be here. You're going to see your team, your total team here. You're going to see your main leg, your other leg here, your team, your direct team here. You're going to see your direct bonus, your spring bonus. You're going to see your global rebate. You're going to see your balance amount here, okay? So if you've not watched my previous video, you can go ahead and watch that particular video that I talked about, all the processes on how you can start earning on Hodlwise, okay? It's a very lucrative project if you understand exactly how it works, okay? So you just imagine you earning 0.4% every single day for 500 days, okay? Remember again, the minimum is $20 to $2,000, okay? So I want to believe you got value from this video and you understood all the processes that I talked about, okay? If you've not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel and also like this video, okay? I'll see you guys in the next one. Do take care of yourself and bye-bye for now.